ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम्। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam 7th standard Samskrita textbook. In that, the Panchamaha Pathaha Sevahi Paramo Dharmaha. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English. Question number 1. Adholikhitanam Prashnanam Ekapadena Padadvayena va Uttarani Likhantu. For the following questions, answer in one or two words. Kaha prasiddhaha chikitsakaha asit. Who was the famous physician? Answer is Nagarjunaha. Anyasmin divase kau agatau. On another day, which two came or which two arrived? Dvau yuvakau means two youth came. Kaha khinnaha asit. Who was sad? Dvitiyaha yuvakaha. The second youth was sad. Rugnasya paristitihi katham asit. How was the state or situation of the patient? Tochaniya. It was pitiable or miserable. Nagarjunaha sahayaka rupena kam chitavan. Whom did Nagarjuna choose as his assistant? Dvitiyam yuvakam. He chose the second youth. Tan vina chikitsakaha na bhavati. Without what will a person not be a physician? Seva bhavanam vina. Without the feeling of service, a person cannot be a physician or a doctor. Nagarjunaha yuvakau kena margena gantum suchitavan. On which route did Nagarjuna ask the youth to go? Raja margena, on the royal path or on the highway. Next question, second question. Adholikhitanam prashnanam purna vakyena uttaram likhantu. Answer the following questions using full sentences in Samskrita. Ahoratram Nagarjuna kutra karyam karoti sma. Day and night, where did Nagarjuna work? Ahoratram Nagarjuna prayogashalayam karyam karoti sma. Nagarjuna was working in his laboratory day and night. Nagarjuna Maharajam kim niveditavan. What did Nagarjuna request the king? Nagarjuna Maharajam Maharaja मम चिकित्सा कार्याय एकः सहायकः आवश्यकः इति निवेदितवान्. Nagarjuna requested to the king that he needed an assistant for his physician work or doctor work. Prathamah yuvakah katham karyam kritavan. How did the first youth perform his duty or his work? Prathamah yuvakah pituhu udaravedanayaha मातुः च ज्वरस्य चिकित्सां त्यक्त्वा यन्त्रवत् karyam kritavan means having left or having forsaken his father's stomach ailment and his mother's fever, the first youth did work as an automaton or as a robot. Dvitiyah yuvakah rajamarge roginam drishtva kim kritavan. What did the second youth do upon seeing the patient on the royal path or on the highway? Dvitiyah yuvakah rajamarge roginam drishtva swagraham aniya tasya sevam kritavan. Having seen the patient on the highway, he brought him home and did service to him. Sevayaha bhavanam vina kim na bhavet. What cannot one become without the feeling of service? The answer is Sevayaha bhavanam vina chikitsakaha na bhavet. One cannot become a physician or a doctor. Before going to next question, we need to know that rasayanam iti shabdaha Ayurveda Shastre aushadham ityasmin vishaye prayujyate. The word rasayanam is used in the sense of medicine in Ayurveda Shastra. We have used the word rasayanam as a chemical, but that chemical is actually a medicine for a particular ailment. So rasayanam in this chapter means medicine is what this statement is telling. Next, we need to know something about the ktavatu pratyaya. Ktavatu pratyaya is also used in the sense of past tense. For example, pat plus ktavatu, it varies depending on pullinga and strilinga, and also as per ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana. In pullinga, in ekavachana, it becomes patitavan, means he studied or he read the book. Patitavantaha means all of them read the book in pullinga. In strilinga, patitavati means she studied or she read the book. And in Bahuvachana for Strilinga it is Patitavatyaha, which means all of these ladies read or studied the book, or all the girls studied the book. Now we should note that whatever is in this green box is all Pumlinga. Saha Patitavan means he read or he studied. And whatever is in this blue box are all Strilinga. Sa Patitavati means she read. Chhatraha Patitavan, the student, the boy student read. Radhika Patitavati, Radhika studied or Radhika read. Chhatraha Patitavantaha, all the students, all the boy students studied. Bahuvachana, plural. Balikaha Patitavatyah. So all the girl students studied Patitavatyah. Tvam Patitavan, you studied. This is addressing a boy or a man. Tvam Patitavati is Strilinga, addressing a girl or a woman. Aham Patitavan, I studied. Here I is a man or a boy. Aham Patitavati. Here I is a girl or a woman. So Patitavan, Patitavati, Patitavantaha, Patitavatyah. Like that. That's how the masculine Pullinga and Strilinga forms vary. Now, one more thing we need to know is in converting a present tense verb to a past tense, we can use the sma. Sma is an avyaya, which means an indeclinable. For example, Govindaha hasati means Govinda laughs. It's a present tense word. Whereas Govindaha hasati sma makes the sentence into past tense. Govinda laughed. Sma is an avyaya padam. Gachati sma has the same meaning as Gatavan or Gatavati means went, departed, like that. Likhati sma means wrote. It has the same meaning as Likitavan, Likitavati means wrote. Before even going to the question, a few more things to know. They have given a table in your textbook in the exercises part of this very lesson. The first column here is Dhatuhu and the second column is Latlakara in Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Latlakara means Vartamana Kala means present tense. The second column is Langlakara, Bhutakala or past tense. Again they have given all these words in Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Ktavatu Pratyaya in Pullinga is in next column. Ktavatu Pratyaya in Strilinga is in the column next to that. And here we have the Sma Prayoga Bhutakale. Let us look at them one by one. Gam in Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachana becomes Gachati. The same, if you add a sma at the end, it becomes Bhutakala Prayoga. Next, Langlakara is Agachat. Agachat and Gachati sma have the same meaning because both of them are Bhutakala. Bhutakala. Tavatu Pratyaya also has the same meaning as Bhutakala, but it differs between Pullinga and Strilinga. Gatavan, Gatavati. I hope you understand how this table has been formed. Lik, Likhati, Alikhat, Likitavan, Likitavati, Likhati sma. Ga means sing. Gayati, Agayat, Geetavan, Geetavati, Gayati sma. Pa means drink. Pibati, Apibat, Pitavan, Pitavati, Pibati sma. Shru is listen. Shrunati, Ashrunot, Chutavan, Chutavati, Shrunati sma. Listen. Da is give. Dadati, Adadat, Dattavan, Dattavati, Dadati sma. Nya to know. Janati, Ajanat, Nyatavan, Nyatavati, Janati sma. Kr means do. Karoti, Akarot, Kritavan, Kritavati, Karoti sma. Drish to see. Pashyati, Apashyat, Drishtavan, Drishtavati, Pashyati sma. Stha to stand. Tishtati, Atishtat, Sthitavan, Sthitavati, Tirthati sma. Now we notice one important thing here. This particular column is Vartamana Kala words, means present tense words, whereas all the four columns here are Bhutakala words, means past tense words. Ashrunot, Shrutavan, Shrutavati, Shrunotisma. All the words in these four columns are Bhutakala words. That is something which is important to note in this particular table. Now we go to the question. Udaharana anusaram adholikitanam padanam strilinga rupani likhanto. As in the example, write the feminine forms. Patitavan is masculine. You have to write the feminine forms in these two columns. Patitavati in ekavachanam and Patitavatyaha in bahuvachanam. Let us do them one by one. Gatavan will be Gatavati, Gatavatyaha. Likitavan will transform to Likitavati, Likitavatyaha. Khaditavan, Khaditavati, Khaditavatyah. Kriditavan means played. Kriditavati, Kriditavatyah. Hasitavan, Hasitavati, Hasitavatyah. Hasitavan means laughed. Niveditavan, Niveditavati, Niveditavatyah requested. Suchitavan, Suchitavati, Suchitavatyah means indicated. What do we notice in this particular exercise? All the words in this green box are Pullinga Shabdas, masculine words, whereas all the words in this blue box are Strilinga Shabdas. Gatavan is Pullinga, Gatavati and Gatavatyah are both Strilinga Shabdas. Next question. Udaharana Anusaram Adholikitanam Padanam Pumlinga Rupani Likhanto. As in the example, write the masculine forms. Here they have given the feminine forms. In these two columns, we have to write the masculine forms in Ekavachanam and in Bahuvachanam. Let us do them. Patitavati, the Pullinga forms are Patitavan, Patitavantah. Kritavati will become Kritavan, Kritavantah. Drishtavati, Drishtavan, Drishtavantah. Dattavati, Dattavan, Dattavantah. Prakshalitavati, Prakshalitavavan, Prakshalitavantah. Prakshalitavati means she washed. Prakshalitavavan means he washed. Dhavitavati, Dhavitavan, Dhavitavantah. Dhavitavati means she ran. Dhavitavan means he ran. Dhavitavantaha means all those boys or all those men ran. Whatever is in this box are all Strilinga Shabdas, Patitavati, Kritavati, and so on. And whatever are in this box are Pullinga Shabdas, masculine words, Patitavan, Patitavantaha, and so on. Next, Udaharana Anusaram Vakyani Parivartayanto. As in the example, transform the sentences. So what is this question all about? Converting from present tense to past tense using the ktavatu pratyaya. For example, Pita Kashayam Pibati, Pita Kashayam Pitavan. So ktavatu pratyaya has come here. Aham Pustakam Nayami, Aham Pustakam Neetavan, Neetavati. Now, why have they given two choices here and only one here? Because Pita is a masculine word, so Pitavan is masculine. And Aham is a Trilinga Kapada, means using the word Aham or I, we cannot know whether it's a boy or a girl, a man or a woman. So therefore, if it is a man, Aham Pustakam Neetavan, Aham Pustakam Neetavati for a woman. Now, Yuvakaha Apanam Gachati, the choices are like this. Yuvakaha Apanam Gatavan or Yuvakaha Apanam Gatavati. Now, there's a work for you in this particular exercise. You have to tell which of them is correct, Gatavan or Gatavati. After giving the answers to all these questions, I will actually tell you which of the forms is correct. So stay tuned till I tell you the correct answer. But now, for now, you note down in your notebook which of them is the right form, and you can cross check later in the next few minutes. Saha rotikam khadati. So saha rotikam khaditavan, khaditavati means he ate a roti. Mahila vastram dadati, mahila vastram dattavan, dattavati. Balakaha dvichakrikataha patati. Balakaha dvichakrikataha patitavan, patitavati. You strike whichever is the incorrect one among these choices. Pitamahi Chalachitram Pashyati, Pitamahi Chalachitram Drishtavan, Drishtavati. Aham Grihapatham Likhami. Aham Grihapatham Likhitavan, Likhitavati. Tvam Kutra Gachasi, Tvam Kutra Gatavan, Gatavati. Ashvaha Vane Dhavanti. Ashvaha Vane Dhavitavantaha, Dhavitavatyah. Next one. Balikaha Shigram Agachanti. Balikaha Shigram Agatavantah, Agatavatya. Choose which is correct. Vayam Samudratire Payohimam Khadamaha. Vayam Samudratire Payohimam Khaditavantah, Khaditavatyah. Now let us see which of these are the correct choices by striking off the incorrect ones. Yuvakaha Gatavan, Pullinga. Strilinga is incorrect. Saha Pullinga, Khaditavan is correct. Khaditavati is incorrect. Mahila Strilinga, Dattavati is correct. Balakah Pullinga, Patitavan is correct. Pitamahi Strilinga, Drishtavati is correct. Aham, if the person telling this is a boy, then Likhitavan is correct. If a girl, then Likhitavati is correct. Both of these choices are correct. Tvam, if the person being addressed is a boy or a man, then Gatavan is correct. If a woman or a girl, then Gatavati is correct. Ashvaha Pullinga, Dhavitavantaha. So this is incorrect. Balikaha Strilinga, Agatavatyaha. Here Vayam, if the people who are telling us Vayam are a bunch of boys or men, then Khaditavantaha is correct. If a bunch of girls or ladies, then Khaditavatyaha is what is correct. I hope you understood how we got the answers to this particular question based on the example given here. Note one important thing in this particular question. All the sentences in this green color box are Vartamanakala sentences, means present tense sentences, whereas all the sentences in this blue color box are Bhutakala, past tense sentences, because they use the ktavatu pratyaya. Gachati present tense, gatavan or gatavati are ktavatu forms which indicate past tense, bhutakala. This is again reiterating that adding the word sma to a verb will make it into past tense. Govinda hasati, Govinda hasati sma. Govinda laughs, Govinda laughed. Sma is an avyaya padam. Now there's a very interesting exercise which they have given us in this particular sixth question. Anuchede कोष्ठकेषु केचन धातवः दत्ताः सन्ति means they have given several verb roots dhatus in these brackets. उपरि दत्तम् अवधेय अंशं पठित्वा स्मा इति अव्ययपदम् उपयुज्य अनुच्छेदं पुनः लिखन्तु. Using the given dhatus in the brackets, complete the passage using sma. They have also asked us to write a shirshakam or a title to this passage. We will first understand what this passage is and then write the shirshakam or the title at the very end. कृषकः प्रतिदिनं कृषिक्षेत्रं गच्छति स्म. कृषकः गच्छति is प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन प्रयोग. जलसेचनं करोति स्म. So कृषकः जलसेचनं करोति स्म again प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. Then कीटानां निवारणार्थं जैवौषधं स्थापयति स्म. प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. Sma, I hope you understand what sma means. It converts the sentence to past tense. सः कृषिकार्यं सम्यक् जानाति स्म. He knows how to do the agricultural work very nicely. अतः अन्ये कृषकाः संशयेन पृच्छन्ति स्म. Therefore, other farmers who are nearby ask him doubts. Is a bahuvachana pada, so this is prathama purusha bahuvachana prayoga pritchanti sma. Saha swabhimanena जीवति स्म. सः जीवति. So this is prathama purusha ekavachana. अतः अहं कृषकः भूमिपुत्रः इति साभिमानं वदति स्म. Again सः वदति स्म. So he tells. So this is again prathama purusha ekavachana prayoga. सः क्षेत्रे गोमयं योजयति स्म. सः योजयति means prathama purusha ekavachana. न तु कृतकान् पदार्थान्. Gomaya is actually cow dung, and cow dung he uses as a fertilizer. He doesn't use any artificial fertilizers. अतः व्रीहेः गुणवत्ता अधिका भवति स्म. Therefore, the quality of the crops will be very nice, very good. गुणवत्ता भवति स्म. This is again प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. जनाः जालपुटमाध्यमेन तस्य तण्डुलं क्रीणन्ति स्म. जनाः is a बहुवचन pada, so therefore this is prathama purusha bahuvachana, which means people purchase his rice using the website Jalaputa Madhyamena, using the online transactions. Evam tasya parivarasya sarve janaha krishikaryena sasukham जीवन्ति स्म. सर्वे जनाः, all the people live happily means जीवन्ति is a बहुवचन pada in prathama purusha. सः सर्वान् वदति स्म. सः वदति स्म. कृषकः न दीनः न च दरिद्रः परं सर्वेषां पोषकः. He tells everybody that Krishaka is not poor, is not in a pitiable state, but he is indeed the nourisher of everybody. Now we have the title to fill up. Krishakasya Jeevanam is a title which I can give. If you have a title which you want to suggest, you are free to suggest them in the comments below, which I'll gladly read and reply. This brings me to the end of this video, the exercises video of this lesson, Panchamaha Pathaha Sevahi Paramo Dharmaha. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.